What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Hey, you wanna hold the camera? You look so excited. It's fine, don't hold the camera. You don't look any excited at all. Today's all about the Tahoe. I know you guys have been enjoying wow, I can't talk today. I know you guys have been enjoying the Tahoe content. I wanna bring you guys more of that. Today's a very big day in the Tahoe build. This is the day. Today's the day. I hope you guys are excited. We're gonna go take some pictures in a little bit. My boy Matt has come to actually wash the trucks today. My truck, the Tahoe, hadn't been washed in at least 3 or 4 months. They're bad, like, it's bad. You guys, if you guys remember the truck meet we went to back in Augusta, where I wrote Bread Gang on the wheels, that hadn't been washed since then, and the Bread Gang's gone. So that means there's a full layer of dirt over the Bread Gang that I wrote. That's bad. But Matt's out here today. Him and his buddy have come and they're gonna get our trucks washed so we can go take some beautiful pictures for you guys on Instagram. I hope you guys are excited. His link will be in the description below to his Instagram. Follow him, check him out. Like every single picture. If you don't like every single picture, I'm gonna come find you and do it myself. I'm super excited. Finally have the trucks clean again. Matt's gonna get us all ready for this little tiny photo shoot that we're doing today. I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys when we're done. I didn't even know that I had gloss wheels on this truck. It was so freaking dirty. Holy crap. My truck looks pretty again. I don't think I've seen my truck washed in about 6 months. This is insane. That looks so freaking good. You can actually see the red accents on the truck now. It blows my mind. The True Spike lug nuts and the bullet antenna and the MCGAUGHYS upper control arms actually look good now. Holy crap. Man, huge shout out to the boys for getting my truck. This is better than my truck has looked in probably the last year, and I'm just super grateful. Holy crap. But today's video is not about the truck. Today's video is all about the Tahoe. I told you guys that. You guys know that. So I want to show you guys, one, how absolutely amazing the Tahoe looks as well. I didn't even know the Tahoe's wheels were shiny. Christina told me, she's like, wow, I didn't even know that. I thought they were like a matte color. Me too. They actually shine. That's insane. The Tahoe looks beautiful. Huge shout out again. That looks absolutely insane. They did a fantastic job. Holy crap. But I know you guys are excited to hear what I have to say about the Tahoe today. So we're gonna run across the street, we're gonna go take some pictures, and we're gonna jump into the video.
A few moments later.
I know you guys are super excited and you have been waiting a long time to figure out what we're gonna do with the Tahoe. And today I'm gonna kind of give you my thoughts and my plans on what we want to do with the build. I've got it sitting right behind me, idling over there behind me. It looks so good. We're getting some pictures done today. I want to give you guys a little bit of insight on what I think we're going to do with it. You guys, we've been back and forth. You guys have been back and forth. We've all just, we can't decide, and I think we finally come up with something. So some of you may know, some of you may not, but I think we're gonna lift it. I think that needs to be the plan. I think that's what we're gonna do with it. The goal has always been to have not one, but 2 lifted trucks, and I think the MCGAUGHYS lift kits are gonna look absolutely perfect on these 2 trucks together. So the goal, obviously, the red MCGAUGHYS lift kit on the truck, on the Tahoe together, same color. That's definitely the goal. I definitely should have filmed that, but some guy just came running up to us and kicked us out of that spot. We're like right on the edge of a parking lot to a church. And the guy comes running out and he's just like, hey, can I help you guys? And I'm just like, hey, we're just taking pictures. And he's just like, that way, you gotta go. And I'm like, okay. And he's just kind of like still jogging over. And I'm like, dude, chill out. It's not that serious. So we hopped in the truck. So we left that spot. I guess we're gonna go find a new spot and continue on with the video. The goal is to lift the Tahoe. Obviously, you guys kind of got that far with the video. You guys got that point. I don't know what kind of wheel and tires we're gonna do. We wanna do the same MCGAUGHYS lift kit, 9-inch lift kit on both of them. That's definitely the goal, but let's go find a new spot and then we'll jump back into this. That's ridiculous. Before we were rudely interrupted, holy crap, that, like, the guy was being way too, anyway, so I think what we're gonna do, 9-inch lift kit, MCGAUGHYS, that's the plan. As far as wheels and tires go, we're really back and forth. I have no freaking idea what we're gonna go with. I think right now, I've kind of decided, just because I want to see this done, that once we get this lifted, I'm gonna throw some like 35s or something on these wheels right here and put them on the truck, and the truck 375s are gonna go on this for the time being. Obviously, we're gonna do more than that, but I think that would make her happy. It'd make y'all happy. I think that's what needs to happen. I think, and you know, I've never had a different setup on this truck before that you guys have seen, so I think that definitely needs to happen at some point in the future, and I you know, that's the goal right now. That's the goal. We're gonna do that, I think. Oh, that's just the idle. That's just the idle. Man, that's ridiculous. Huge. I can't get over how good the truck looks right now. The truck in this light right now is just, holy crap. I haven't seen my truck this clean. I didn't know my truck could look this good. It hadn't been this clean in almost a year. That's ridiculous. I hope you guys, so I mean, we got a couple small things that we're gonna finish up with the Tahoe before we actually lift it. Well, you know, we gotta figure out who to powder coat it, that kind of stuff, but that's the goal. They're both gonna get lifted, both 9-inch lift kits, both 375s at some point. Now, how we get there, we got a little bit of a journey to get there, but that's the goal. Lift kit, maybe a month, couple months, I don't know. You know, we're trying to figure it out right now. I really think at some point we're gonna put some fog lights on this thing too. So if you guys have any recommendations for what kind of fog lights we should put on this thing, maybe rigid or something like that, leave some comments below and let me know what kind of fog lights we should put on this thing. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. I hope you guys are super excited for the Tahoe build. I know I am personally. Just a little bit of recap for you guys. 9-inch lift, 24x14s, 375s. It's gonna be a crazy deal having the truck and the Tahoe matching. I know we have big plans for them. I talk about it a lot, and I hope you guys are excited to come on this journey with me and Christina together. I wanna let you guys in on a little secret. For those of you that actually watch towards the end, all the way to the end of the video, huge shout out to you. You are going to be the first to know, if you don't follow me on Instagram already, that we did get the rear end of the truck fixed. The next video that comes out this weekend will be of that. Tonight's Thursday night. That video will be dropping later on in the week. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. We're going to run outside and take a look at the truck in its glory, its fixed glory. Never mind, the door's locked. Never mind, the door's locked. So I'm gonna go back to editing this video. I hope you guys first, hey, before we end the video off, I do have the giveaway still going for bullet antenna and true spike lug nuts. Find the post on my Instagram, follow the instructions below. It's super simple and it's free. You get 3 chances, 3 lucky winners. Any bullet antenna of your choice, you get to pick any colors, any size, any design. They make it and it's on their website. You can win one, not 2, but 3 people will win. So make sure, find that post on my Instagram, follow the requirements below. It's super simple, and get entered to win. That giveaway ends on February 14th on Valentine's Day, so you guys can win your real girlfriend a present for Valentine's Day. We all know who your real girlfriend is, and that is your 4-wheeled girlfriend. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'm hanging out over here with the boys at the tent shop as always. Probably gonna hop on Instagram live, so stay tuned. I know this is gonna be like way after that, or actually this video might post, I don't know. But I've been doing that recently, hopping on Instagram live, having fun with you guys, and I love just being able to give back and help support you guys that support me. So I hope you guys have a great day. You guys know what it is. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me, is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.